Pamela Anderson glowed as she went makeup-free for a walk with her adorable dog. The blonde bombshell kept her look casual with tie-dye sweatpants. Pamela Anderson, 54, is forever a babe. The Baywatch icon and her personal assistant were seen out for a casual walk near her home in Malibu, California on Friday, January 14. Pamela glowed in the sunny weather as she opted to go makeup-free, leaving her famous blonde locks in a loose, natural curl. She stayed cozy in a pair of tie-dye sweatpants and a V-neck white t-shirt with a blush velvet scrunchie around her wrist. Meanwhile, her personal assistant walked next to her with their adorable golden retriever on a leash. He rocked a green pair of shorts that appeared to read, "Swingers Club Classic," along with a white scoop neck t-shirt and sneakers. He finished his ensemble with a plain black baseball cap as he held onto the pooch. The low-key outing comes just 2 weeks ahead of the Hulu series Pam and Tommy, which stars Lily James and Sebastian Stan as her ex-husband Tommy Lee. The mini-series will document the couple's whirlwind 90s romance, which included getting married on a beach in Mexico after knowing each other for just 4 days. Pamela and Tommy went on to welcome 2 sons, Brandon Thomas Lee, 25, and Dylan Jagger Lee, 23, during their marriage, which came to an end in 1998. The series will specifically focus on their sex tape scandal, which was leaked in real life by Rand Gautier, played by Seth Rogen. Related gallery. Pamela Anderson, pics of the actress. After Tommy, Pamela wed Kid Rock in 2006, and Rick Solomon twice in 2007 and 2014, as well as John Peters for just 12 days in 2020. The last union was not legal, however. The blonde bombshell seems to have found the love of her life with, however, leading to a quick wedding in December 2020 on her stunning Vancouver Island property. "I'm exactly where I need to be, in the arms of a man who truly loves me," she gushed to the Daily Mail after the nuptials. "This 1 year together has felt like 7, like dog years. I am in love," she also said.